We've always taken pride in being a British manufacturer, which has huge customer service benefits, but really it's the innovation that we've been trying to bring into the market and the R&D. We're spending huge amounts on R&D now, bringing new products through and new combinations and integrated products, which is really the driving force for us in the next few years.
Well, this is a Roman design department, and as the name describes, we look after everything design related for the business. We use the latest CAD technologies to help us realise our designs and turn concepts into reality.
It doesn't matter if you're in Timbuktu, you still should have the same experience, which is what we strive for as a business. One of the things we're most proud of at Roman is our team. We've got some exceptional people across the business, a lot of whom have been here a very long time, which helps as well. A lot of people have come up through the business and know the business inside out. I think any business is as good as your team, and we've got an exceptional team.
I started my career here at Roman as an apprentice. I've been here for approximately 17 years now. The best thing about working at Roman is the people. We've got a very good working community here. Everybody helps each other, and it shows in the product. We build the product, we pick all the raw material, we manufacture the boxes, we then assemble the product with some fabrication involved, with quality checks throughout, and the product is then boxed, packaged, ready for shipping that night.
Our company ethos is quite simple, which is being the best we can in every sector we're in. We try to lead, not be imitating.